We love our cats like family, but no one loves cleaning out the litter box. The LitterPod is the self-cleaning and self-emptying litter box that's beautifully designed to fit in your home. Engineered to be 100% safe, hygienic, and most importantly, intuitive and easy for your cat and you to use. We've built many prototypes of the LitterPod, and now we're ready to manufacture the best toilet your cat will ever have. Safety is our #1 priority. Our precise sensors ensure that LitterPod will never start a cleaning cycle when your cat is inside or nearby. The system also displays your cat's weight, giving you peace of mind and helping you keep an eye on their health. After your cat has left the LitterPod, it waits until it's safe to start a cleaning cycle. It's quiet too, so it won't scare your cat or disturb your peace and quiet. LitterPod's self-cleaning system uses a stainless steel rake that automatically sifts waste into a standard bag, held in an odor-proof compartment that's easy to empty. And you're always in total control, deciding whether you want the LitterPod to operate automatically or manually. It's really easy to clean too. When it's time to do a full litter change, the LitterPod plow completely empties the tray. The rake detaches, making it really simple to clean the interior. The LitterPod creates an extra hygienic environment for your cat. Our cats always prefer to have a clean place to go to the toilet. And when they do, they're much less likely to make a mess in other places around the house. The LitterPod looks and feels so much like a regular litter box, most cats have no problem switching over to it. Koopa and Leia use it every single day. We care about the environment as much as we do about cats. With our upgrade program, the LitterPod's features can be improved over time. This means reducing our manufacturing footprint, using less plastic, and giving you an amazing product that will last for years and years. Help us bring LitterPod to the cats of the world by being an early backer right here on Indiegogo.
Hi, I'm Natalia from Chewy. If your feline friend has pesky fleas, then try Cheristin for cats, the topical flea protection that's designed just for cats. This fast-acting topical flea treatment starts taking care of fleas in just 30 minutes. Plus, Cheristin remains effective for 6 weeks, keeping your favorite feline protected from uninvited fleas. Cheristin is quick-drying, non-greasy, and easy to apply. Simply press the cap down until it clicks, part your cat's fur, and apply it to the skin at the base of the head. Monthly application is recommended to keep your kitty companion protected from fleas. Cheristin comes in one low-volume dose size that's gentle enough for all cats and kittens 8 weeks of age or older that weigh 1.8 pounds or more. So if you're a kitty wrangler, Cheristin has your feline family covered. So take care of those fleas with Cheristin for Cats Topical Flea Protection. I'm Natalia. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is what Cheristin's gonna do to those fleas.